So what are you guys doing?
Ready, set, go! He goes right down the front. Yeah, Leo!
Aw, that's nice, Belle.
I kissed him on the cheek.
You did. So tell me about your little brother.
He's cute, and he has a winter turning goes around and around, and he has an airplane strap. And
He has an airplane strapped?
And his little baby, of course. And his family, of course.
That's nice, Belle.
And he went, and
You love your brother.
because he's so cute, he's a caterpillar right now.
He's a caterpillar right
I call him caterpillar sometimes.
now? Oh, really? Hi, Leo. What are you doing? What are you doing, baby?
It's a goose, or a present, or a gobble, or that.
Leo. Hi. Hi, little man of cuteness.